Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this stunning centerpiece in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I've cut a piece and I folded it in half, and I'm going to lay it down into my Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath. Then what I'm going to do is take my first pick and I'm just going to lay that down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my roses and lay those into my Bowdabra. Then take my pumpkin pick, lay that down. We're doing a really pretty fall theme here. And then lay my other pumpkin pick down here. Then I'm going to take the roses and just lay those going the opposite direction. And then I'm going to take my green, just add a little color here with my green jute, lay that down into my Bowdabra, and take another piece of my orange jute, or actually I'm going to take my plaid first and put that into my Bowdabra. And then I'm going to take my orange jute and lay that down into the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my plaid again and I'm just going to make a bow. So we're just going to fold this back and forth. So we're going to fold and twist, and we're just going to fold and twist and fold. So it's super simple, and twist. And the reason that I'm twisting is so I have the right side of my ribbon on the outside of my loops. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand and just lay this down into my Bowdabra, give everything a good push. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wire and I'm going to pull everything through, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm just going to lift everything out, and as you can see, I'm not fumbling. It doesn't take, you can have arthritis or anything and still be able to use your Bowdabra. And we're going to just tie this off, and I'm going to tie a knot. And just for safe measure, I'm going to double knot it. Now you could take this and hang it onto a wreath, and so you would want to leave or make it into a door swag, but we're going to put pumpkins around it and make it into a, so I'm going to cut my wire because I don't need it. And now I'm going to just dovetail the ends. So let's dovetail this, and we'll dovetail this one, and dovetail here. Probably the hardest part of here is getting all the dovetails done. And dovetail here. And also, just so you know, we have hundreds of videos on YouTube, so please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on Facebook. And we do Facebook Lives every Monday. Oops, I almost forgot to dovetail this one. So fold this in half here and dovetail it. And we've got everyone dovetailed. So we're just going to shape this all out, and I'm going to pull everything around, maybe take one of my roses, pull that up, bring these roses over here, shape them out. So now I've just arranged the pumpkins and the candles, and you have this beautiful centerpiece. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.